All right, the packaging looks pretty awesome here. You'll see Bull Air. I'll get this out of the way. All right, welcome back to DeLorean Rental, your #1 destination when looking to rent a DeLorean Time Machine for your next party or event. Available nationwide, from Los Angeles to New York and a lot of places in between, so get a quote today at DeloreanRental.com. On today's episode, we have a shipment that just arrived. I did open it to make sure that it was actually in here. Bull Air, about 9 to 10 months ago, had a big release of a lot of Back to the Future items, shoes, jackets, shirts, and we did a promotion with them across a few different platforms of ours, and they were kind enough to send us a pair of the shoes. I'm not sure which version this is. I did get 2 different versions. I got one with lights and one without lights. So today we're going to see, it's going to be kind of fun to see which version this is. I probably could have waited for the next one, but again, this rollout, I'm seeing other people finally getting their shoes. It's been like 9 months since I think the official order took place. So it's been like 9 months, as I stated. So I didn't want to wait any longer for the next pair to arrive. So, what we see is what we get. So again, these were Bull Air, so the Bull Air mags. I'll link in the description the company and their website. They've got all kinds of really, really cool stuff. All right, the packaging looks pretty awesome here. You'll see Bull Air. I'll get this out of the way. That is cool. It says Bull Air's official product. Bull Air's, and it's got very similar to the radioactive symbol from like the plutonium and whatnot. So very, very cool packaging. I'll give them that. It's very nice. And again, I think this was a collaboration. They definitely had some type of an agreement with Nike to be able to do these because Air mags, Bull Air mags, they're very similar. So whatever their collaboration with Nike was on that, I have no idea. Oh, now this is cool. What a nice touch. The paper on these, if you can see that, before I open this, I'll let you see this, what they came in. This is really, really cool. So it's got the Bull Mag, which looks like the Air Mag logo. There's Pizza Hut, and there's a shoe, there's a Sports Almanac, Pepsi Perfect, and instead it says Pepsi Bull Airs. So I'll get that in there and let you see some of that. That's a nice touch. Oh, I'm seeing the Mr. Fusion as well. Plutonium box. So this is really nice. Nice little added touch. I think they did a fantastic job on packaging. 9 out of 10 on packaging. Didn't come with a traditional like shoe box, which I think would have been a little bit better. But again, kind of to each their own. I'm not gonna complain too much on that. I guess this is technically closer to a shoebox. This is very cool. Yeah, so again, I'm not sure which version this is. They were kind enough to give me both versions and a jacket, which I never did a reveal on the jacket, the McFly 2015 jacket. Maybe sometime I'll show it, but let's go ahead. So these are the non-light up version, it looks like. Down there. So this is it. So they are a replica Air mag, so obviously very similar to that, and they say Bull Air, the company. So the actual Nike Air mags, they light up here, and I'll do a reveal on. I have a pair of replica Air mags. They're very expensive kinds. So I'll have to do maybe a little bit longer video on those, so you guys can see a pair of those. But so these are So on the other ones, these will light up. So like I said, there's 2 different versions. This was the cheapest version at I think $400, and then the other version was $600 or $700. So apparently my light up version is still in the mail. Actually, they haven't been even shipped yet, because they've been pretty great about that. So just like the Nike Air mags, these say Bull Mag on the back, very similar. And they just like the Nike Air mags. Oh, very cool. So inside, you'll see I wonder if I can get it out, the actual, kind of loose in there. Let's see if I can get it out. Yeah, I can get it out. It's just a nice little added touch to them. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Like I said, they've sold out within. It was very quick. I don't know exactly how quickly that they sold out, but it was within an hour, 2 hours. It went really quick. These are nice. I mean, they're nice collectible. I obviously collect a lot of Back to the Future stuff. These are a big collectible. Yeah, I wish these would have been the ones with the light up that lit up. Now they're similar. You know, they do look. You know, they've got the plastic and the lights look like they're lit up, but they're not actually lit up. So that's okay. Again, these were like the replica ones, and then they have the more expensive ones that actually do light up. So I'm excited to get the ones that actually do light up. And once I get those, maybe we'll give these away on on one of our social media. So make sure you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I think these are a size 11 possibly. I'll have to double check, but at any rate, yeah, they're really well made. I will say that. The bottom of them, it's almost like a translucent blue. Those are pretty cool. So, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about these. Would you have bought a pair? $400? And again, they're never going to be made again. They are quite a collectible for Back to the Future fans, or even sneakerheads for that matter. So, you know, their collaboration with Nike and Back to the Future, I think they're pretty darn cool, I gotta say. I would never wear them. I would never wear my Nike Regs that I have. They're just a collector's item. So again, I think for any shoe collectors, these would certainly be something that you'd want to have. So leave us a comment. If you like them, let us know what shoe size you wear, because we're definitely going to be giving these away, at least this pair. And then once my light up pair arrives, I'll put those away for safekeeping. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell to let you know when all of our videos are live. Make sure you follow us on all of our other social media. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.